old purge valve out. They don't sell a new one, so I'm gonna have to rebuild it. I got a kit. We'll see how it goes. So this is what it looks like all tore down. This right here is the little kit that you get. It should have everything in there we need. I mean, it's definitely, feel pretty confident it's that spring. It's really weak compared to this one here. It's tight right there. Compared to that one, it's really tight. So we'll put some new seals in it. Fixed up now. Shoot, dang, back in there, rebuilt. We about to try her out.